we're back with another episode of MX Breaks Lifestyle Entertainment, ready for all the juice going on in Ghana and around the world. Guys, I'm Zala, here to give you all the updates of what's happening today, tomorrow, and yesterday. Today we have Moesha Boduong, who declares that she's born again, and Cardi B announces her second pregnancy. Let's jump right into it. What is Moesha Boduong known for? Well, you guys tell me. This weekend, Moesha shared her time at church with her followers. Dropping a call for testimonies, Moesha stepped out and shared that she is now a born-again Christian, that she's repented from her old ways and given her life to Christ. Minutes into her speech, the young woman broke down in tears, full of thanks to God for removing her from a dark place. The video of her on stage sharing that moment has gone viral, and we've got it right here for you, so let's check that out. If this song is not on your top 10 playlist, I can't suggest good music for you. There's no hope. The raunchy, explicit, fun-loving song Coming by Nigerian Naira Marley and South African Busiswa is a song too good for so many. For weeks and months, it's been dominating airwaves despite not having been dropped with a video. Usually, songs require a video to push the song forward, but this one has really just been all over the place. With the lyrics, the youth, everything is crazy. But thankfully, they didn't leave it at that. The duo has worked on and dropped the music video for Coming In. Honestly, I'm a little bit shocked. I don't know if it's a good time to show it, but we've got it right here, so let's take a look at it. Moving on, Cardi B doesn't do anything low-key. The Bronx rapper is known for being over the top and extra, and she likes it that way. During the just-ended BET Awards on Sunday, the rapper joined the Migos group to perform and shocked fans by revealing her baby bump. Jumping on stage in a bedazzled jumpsuit, she rapped and danced on lyrics to her song. Of course, we've got that moment right here, so let's take a look at it. We've got J Blige, who has been an OG in music for over 30 years. That's older than me. With her strength and power never getting lost. After 13 studio albums, you would think that she's done and that there isn't any more she could possibly have to say or give. But the singer-songwriter just dropped a documentary in which she shares not only her story, but the life experiences that made her who she is. All the trials and tribulations that built her, as well as her career. The Amazon Prime video, titled J Blige's My Life, is told in 5 parts, exploring all the wins and setbacks, the ups and downs, the rise and the falls, and all the impact money and fame had on her life and her career. And of course, we never tell you things without the trailer, and we've got that right here. Let's check it out. I'm sure Queen Latifah is inside, but it's just J Blige is an icon. Icon, I tell you guys. I'm looking forward to it, and I would definitely go ahead and check it out. One last thing. We've got some good news for all of you, all the tech heads and the Euro fans. CompuGhana has decided to do something very special. CompuGhana is the go-to place for phones, tablets, TVs, and so many more gadgets. And for the Euro 2020, CompuGhana is offering the ultimate viewing experience for the games. As if that couldn't get any better, different celebrities are showing up at the viewings. So, guess who we got? Article 1 was there, and we got a chance to interview him. So, let's check that out real quick.
Saturday, MX24 is going to be showing all the 4 p.m. matches live at the Osu branch of CompuGhana. So all you have to do is to walk into the branch and then join us as we watch. Now, we have a very special surprise for you on each day. And today, we are privileged to have with us someone you haven't heard from in a while, but he has something special for you. I have with me Ingenge, Article 1, for a very brief, interaction. Charlie, so what they go on? We haven't heard from you in a very long while.
There's a COVID big thing some way, but still we did. But we come back. Hey, things we get for you.
Okay, so, it's been about 3 years since we last heard from you. What have you been working on?
We've been working on corporate projects. I have some collaborations coming up, and we have a lot of songs down there, a lot of songs. And then I think this year I released a song with 6 up and coming. The video is out. It's called Echo, featuring Eddie Rhyme, Kojo Viper, Yao Seconds, Kameway from UK, Lennon, and then The Viper. It's a heavy project.
So should we expect anything more before the year ends?
We are in the 6th month, right? We are in the 5th month. No, the 6th month. The 6th month. So we have 6 months to go. So expect some bangers, at least 4 bangers or something. Yeah.
Before the year ends, you are promising us 4 bangers. So you heard it here first, that before the year ends, we are going to have 4 bangers from Article 1.
And one of the bangers is going to feature MX24.
So this is an exclusive for all of you who are watching now. Now, I mean, the VGMAs just went by, and a lot of people are talking about the VGMAs. For you, what is your general impression about how the whole event went by?
It was very nice. The stage, Charlie, red carpet, everything was nice. And I would say, frankly speaking, this year's own was very fair. Very fair. Not chocolate, not dark. Fair, very, very fair. Because if it not be fair, will come out. The list will come out. The winners will come out. Yeah, it's very fair.
So for you, all of the criticisms we are hearing after that, the overall didn't deserve it and all of that, you don't buy that argument?
No. Whatever we do, people will definitely talk about it. Somebody wins an award. Someone is going to say he or she deserves it. Someone is also going to say he or she doesn't deserve it. So those things are normal things that basically all the time it will pop up. All the time. I can even release a song. The song is nice. Someone will say, oh, this song is not nice. The next minute, the song is a hit song. But somebody was definitely saying, oh, this song is not nice. So those criticism, 24/7, you get them. Yeah.
So was there any category from the list of awardees that you saw and said, okay, I expected this person to win, but this person won. I'm a bit surprised, but it's still fair.
Like the way I said, it's very fair from A to Z. Fair, very, very fair.
That was Article 1 we just interacted with. And as I mentioned earlier, we are at the Osu branch of Compu Ghana, where we are going to be having the viewing center for the Euro 2020 tournament, which is currently ongoing. And so all the 4 p.m. matches on Tuesday 29th, Friday 2nd July, and Saturday 3rd July would be telecast here live. And so wherever you are right from work, just walk in, pass by. Today we had Article 1. You don't know who would be here next. Today, Monday.
Just like he said, that day they had Article 1. You do not know who you're going to catch next. I would definitely encourage everybody to head over, and you never know who you might run into. That's all we've got for you today. It's been MX Breaks Lifestyle and Entertainment right here on MX24. Catch us tomorrow, same time, same place. I've been Zala. Have a great day. Bye.